Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Right to equality. Article 16. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. No citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence or any of them, be ineligible for, or discriminated against in respect of, any employment or office under the state. Nothing in this article shall prevent Parliament from making any law, prescribing, in regard to a class, or classes, of employment, or appointment to an office, under the government of, or any local or other authority, within a state or union territory. Any requirement as to residence within that state or union territory prior to such employment or appointment. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments, or posts, in favor of any backward class of citizens, which, in the opinion of the state, is not adequately represented in the services under the state. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation, in matters of promotion, with consequential seniority, to any class or classes of posts in the services, under the state, in favor of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes, which, in the opinion of the state, are not adequately represented in the services under the state. Nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any law, which provides that the incumbent of an office in connection with the affairs of any religious or denominational institution, or any member of the governing body thereof, shall be a person professing a particular religion or belonging to a particular denomination. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any economically weaker sections of citizens, other than the classes mentioned in Clause 4, in addition to the existing reservation, and subject to a maximum of 10% of the posts in each category.